How do inertial sensors keep phone GPS accurate? Imagine walking through a city and your phone suddenly loses GPS signal inside a tunnel or between tall buildings. How does it still know where you are? That's where inertial sensors come into play. These tiny sensors in your phone, like accelerometers and gyroscopes, help keep your location accurate even when GPS signals are weak or missing. They do this by constantly tracking your movement and orientation. The accelerometer measures how fast you are speeding up or slowing down in 3 directions. The gyroscope detects how your phone is rotating or turning. By combining this data, your phone can estimate how far you've moved and in which direction since the last GPS fix. This process is called dead reckoning. It's like when you walk in a straight line and keep track of your steps to guess where you are. When your GPS signal comes back, your phone uses that information to correct any errors from the inertial sensors. But there's a catch. These sensors are low cost and can be noisy, meaning they sometimes give false readings. Over time, these small errors can add up, causing the estimated position to drift away from the real location. To fix this, your phone's software blends data from inertial sensors with GPS signals and other sensors like magnetometers, which act like digital compasses. This sensor fusion helps your phone stay on track during short GPS outages, like when you go inside a building or pass through a tunnel. It smooths out sudden jumps or inaccuracies in your location display, making navigation more reliable. So, in simple words, inertial sensors keep your phone's GPS accurate by constantly measuring how you move and turning that information into a continuous estimate of your position. When GPS signals are weak or lost, these sensors step in to fill the gap, helping your phone figure out where you are until the signals return. This process is key to improving GPS accuracy, troubleshooting software issues, and fixing network problems that can interfere with your location services.